Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make your images transparent in Google Slides. I'm just going to upload an image from my computer, and then I'm just going to resize this a little bit. For instance, you have like a logo, but I'm just going to use this picture. Go to Format Options here, or right click and go to Format Options. Under Adjustments, as you can see, there is a Transparency tab. And here you can adjust the transparency of the image. As you can see, it made it very transparent. You can barely even see it on 80%. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!